In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new field in Airtable, step by step. If you find this guide helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once the page loads, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you're logged in, open the base where you want to add the new field. A base in Airtable is like a spreadsheet file, and inside it, you'll find your tables. Now, select the specific table you want to edit. Think of a table as one sheet within your base. It contains the records and fields where your data lives. Once you've clicked on the correct table, look at the top of your data grid. You'll see the existing field names, like a column header. Right next to those, you'll find a small plus button. Go ahead and click that plus button to add a new field. A menu will pop up asking you to choose a field type. Airtable gives you many options to match the kind of data you're storing. For example, you can pick single line text for names or short notes, number for values or quantities, date for deadlines or events, or single select for a drop-down list of choices like status options. Pick the type that best fits what you need to track. Next, enter a name for your new field. Make it something clear and descriptive, like customer name or due date, so you and your team instantly know what the column holds. After that, click Create, and the new field will instantly appear at the end of your table's columns. Now you're ready to start entering data into your new field. Just click into any cell under that field and type away. One of the best parts of Airtable is that your changes save automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button or worry about losing your work. You can keep adding records and filling in that field as you go. And that's it. You've successfully created a new field in Airtable. Whether you're organizing a project, tracking inventory, or managing a content calendar, adding custom fields gives you total control over your data structure. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to create a new field in Airtable. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next one.